childhood memories come back. So lovely. I'm just gonna cut this into chunks, pop that into our blender. Just a little bit of sugar maybe, just a little touch there. Ground cardamom, a little pinch of that going into yogurt, a little bit of rose water, just a little bit of that going in there. You don't need an awful lot. Touch of milk, ice. I like it nice and cool. Beautiful. Can't beat a good old mango lassi. Bit of fresh ice into a glass, topped with the mango lassi. Look. Saffron that I talked about here, I've infused that with just a little bit of rose water. Pistachio nuts too. A little bit of mango. Pop a couple of straws in those. That is so delicious. Who's thirsty over there?